Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make Arabic chicken mandi and mandi sauce with its special mandi masala, all made from scratch. So let's dive right in. First up, we'll marinate the chicken. Take 2 tablespoon butter in a bowl. Add in 1.5 teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon turmeric powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper and 3 teaspoon mandi spice that we make earlier by grinding these ingredients. Spice detailed recipe on my channel in shorts so you can check there. Let the chicken marinate overnight or at least 2 hours. I have also shared a detailed recipe of mutton mandi so you can check on my channel. Give your chicken a good massage with the spice. In the meantime, let's prepare mandi sauce. Take 4 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili and half red bell pepper. You can add green bell pepper too. 1 tomato. 1 medium-sized onion. A handful of mint and coriander leaves. Juice, half of a lemon. Then add in cumin powder, black pepper, salt, half teaspoon each, and a 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Chop it up and you're done with the sauce. Sauce is very tasty. You can enjoy it with any rice dish like pulao, vegetable rice or biryani. You can keep it in fridge for up to a week. I am baking chicken in air fryer. You can bake it in oven too. Bake it at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, flip it and bake again. Let's cook rice. In your cooking pot, add a 1/4 cup oil, 1 sliced onion, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 4 to 5 black pepper, 2 green cardamom, 2 to 3 cloves. Cook it until onion becomes translucent. Add in 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1-2 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon mandi spice. Stir well and add in 1.5 cup water. Some sliced green chilies and let it boil. At that boiling point, add in 1 cup soaked rice. Add in few strands of saffron and let it cook. Saffron is the most important ingredient of this dish. I recommend you to add this and enjoy the authenticity of this dish. Chicken is ready. When rice left with a little water, slow down the flame and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Roast almonds and butter for topping. You can add in raisins too. Rice is ready. Fluff them up, dish out, and enjoy with the sauce. And yes, you can give it smoke of charcoal as per your preference. See, chicken is so soft and juicy. Always use a skinned chicken for baking. It'll become juicy and tender from inside and crispy from outside. And don't overbake ever. And there you have it, a fantastic recipe for Yemeni chicken mandi and mandi sauce with its special spice made from scratch. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I need your comments, so please don't hesitate to say some words. And stay tuned for more delicious recipes coming your way soon. This is so delicious. I am going to enjoy this. See you soon.